So it's that time of year again, and the ITS Black Friday sale is now on, where you can get hundreds of deals on power tools, hand tools, workwear and more. And of course we've got brand new deals being added every single Friday throughout November. Like getting £65 off this brushless two-piece kit from DeWalt with drill and impact driver, 2 batteries, case and charger for just £124.99 plus the VAT. And Makita 18 volt DAB radios at a staggering £69.99 plus the VAT. Or these Stanley SB rated safety boots, better than half price at just £25 with no VAT to pay. Or this awesome DeWalt hoodie, 1 penny less than that at just £24.99 plus the VAT. And with ITS you can order all the way up until 7 PM and still get it delivered the very next day to home or to site, wherever it is you're going to be. We'll even give you a 1 hour time slot so you're not hanging around. So if you're in the trade or into your DIY, ITS have got all the tools you need at the prices you want. Check out our 4 weeks of Black Friday event over at its.co.uk right now.